Hello friends and welcome to Weekly Commodity Outlook. My name is Jatin Trivedi. I am Senior Research Analyst with LKP Securities for looking after commodities and currency segment. So for this week commodities market update, we have a bullish stance on base metals, especially the prices of zinc and aluminum are looking quite bullish. Just like last week, we have updated about the aluminum prices going to be on a very bullish note, and we have seen the levels of which aluminum has crossed and touched the levels of around 150 from the levels of 143 to 144. And now again for this week, I'm still bullish on aluminum prices for the levels of around 148 to 150 odd levels for the target, at the levels of around 143 to 144, keeping in mind with the stop loss of one below 141. Along with aluminum prices, I'm also bullish on the prices of zinc and nickel for this week. Zinc technically is looking very much on a supportive side from the levels of around 188 to 189, which it is consistently holding on a fresh weekly start. For the targets of around 195 to 196, zinc prices look quite bullish. It is taking support and forming a higher low pattern and higher high pattern on a trading platform, trading charts, that is 30 minutes to 1 hourly charts. And also the prices are holding above the Ichimoku cloud, that is a technical setup which is quite bullish. Also along with it, nickel prices which are holding the levels of 1050 quite sustaining above those levels consistently, is looking a little bit bullish for the levels and for the target of around 1090 to 1100 for this week. Along with base metal prices, the other counters which are going to be impacted with it, with the bullish trend of base metal, is silver prices. We have seen bullions markets seeing witnessing some strong selling pressure, but I think gold and silver both might see some short coverings happening in coming few days. It might not be a strong sustainable rally on the higher side, but we will see some short coverings happening in bullions for coming days, at least for next couple of days. Keeping in mind with that, strong levels which are important for gold and silver are 58,000 for silver on the lower side, and on the higher side 61,000 looks quite achievable for this week. So at least a couple of thousand points cannot be ruled out in silver prices for this week on the upside. And speaking about gold, gold is holding the levels of 49,000, but also taking strong resistance of 50,000, 250 to 50,000 odd levels. So keeping in mind gold's view with not below 49,000 for this week, and on the higher side not above 50,000, 250, one can bet going long in gold around the levels of around 49,400 for the targets of 50,000 odd levels, and going long on silver at the levels of around 58,700 to 59,000 for the targets of around 60,000 plus. Also 61,000 looks quite achievable because we have seen some strong selling pressure being witnessed in silver prices in last couple of 2 weeks. So speaking about the last segment, which is the energies pack, in energies market, crude market is quite sideways between the levels of around 3050 to 2850, and also the WTI prices are also in a basing range of around 4150 to $39. So it is still looking quite sideways for crude prices between 2850 to 3050. Natural gas prices, as we have seen, the fresh contract, which is the October contract, has opened in a very strong premium. It is trading in a very strong premium compared to the September prices. So one should avoid this counter as of now and look for some correction happening towards the levels of 185 to 190, and then we can take a fresh call in natural gas prices. So this is about it from me, guys, for this week's commodity market. I hope to catch you guys next week again. Stay home and stay safe.